Alright, y'all, it's May 10th. We're out here at my fiance's parents' place. 70 acres, mostly open fields, but there's been a gobbler coming out in this field every so often. And we hear him right now gobbling behind us. We thought we were going to be set up. We thought he was going to be in front of us, but he's not too far, probably within 100 yards. But yeah, he's not sounding off too much anymore. He might be down. But hopefully he makes his way this way. It's supposed to rain. That's kind of why we're in a blind today. I personally don't like being in a blind, but especially a single person one with Roy over here taking up most of the space. But just gobble up. So yeah, we'll see if we can get them over here. They've been coming to this field regularly, so shouldn't be no different today. It's about 8:15 right now. All we've seen is Jake and two hens come out in the field in front of us. The gobbler that was sounding off this morning sounded like he moved away when he got down, unfortunately. And I haven't heard it gobble for quite a while, but it was supposed to rain this morning. It looks like it's held off for a bit. It's supposed to start around 10, but we might sit higher that long, we might not. I'm not sure yet. He was out here yesterday morning, but we're past that time when he was. But if we do want to sit out here longer, it is supposed to rain, so they'll be coming to these fields. It's turkey hunting. Well, the sun's coming out now. It was supposed to rain, like I said this morning, but kind of just missed us, I guess. And we've been sitting in this blind all morning. Just popped it up, carried it. Well, actually popped it up and carried it out here. But only had a Jake and two hens come out, and we got out. I climbed up this ladder stand right here. There were some turkeys up on top of the hill, but they were just all a couple Jakes and hens. Might have been the same ones we saw, but we're gonna go try and cross the street now because we heard a gobble. Heard a gobble over there this morning. So we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, baby! Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Woo! That's how you do it right there. Woohoo!
Hey Bear, what is that?
That's a gobby on the ground, baby.
What did we just do?
We just called the turkey all probably from 300-400 yards away over to this field. Came up, perfectly walked right up with the fence line, right to the decoy. Beat that old Jake up. And I couldn't watch it anymore. I had to let him have it. Woohoo! Yeah, man. Oh, dude, nice beard on him. Nice beard out. Look at that, baby. Huh? Get some osseous, get down some osseous action in Florida, but man, that was,
All right, Bear.
was picture perfect.
All right, Bear, so start me off by the morning. What did we do this morning?
Well, what we did this morning, we actually set up where we are right now. We're in a alfalfa field, actually out back of my fiance's parents' place, and we started this morning across the street because yesterday morning we actually left here, went to a different property, didn't hear a peep all morning, came back here, and there was a gobbler out across the street with a couple hens. So we kind of figured we'd seen him out there a couple times, but we tried getting out there this morning. It was supposed to rain this morning, but now it's nothing but sunshine, and we started over there, heard some gobbling behind us, and unlike what we thought he was going to be on the in front of us, kind of off to our left a little bit, but we sat there all morning, saw a jake and two hens, and then it kind of started sprinkling a little bit, but we decided to get out of there, and we came across the street down to this field, and we didn't get but halfway down it, heard a gobble up on top of the ridge, so we both quickly got down. I ran out here, threw the decoys out, both set up right here where we're at behind us, right in the shade. It was perfect. Clouds just started covering the sun, and he worked his way up all the way along the tree line right to our decoy, and I mean just knocked the hell out of the jake decoy right off the stake. And after he did that, he was front facing towards me. I couldn't watch it anymore. I had to let him have it. So Yeah, baby. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that right there, huh? Michigan bird, baby. Tagged out.
Big old beard.
Yeah.
Look at that big old beard hanging down.
Heck yeah, dude. Look at that. Probably about a 22 pounder, probably. I said probably a 2-year-old.
Open that fan up. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, you shot some of that off. But
Yep, I did.
it looks good. That's a
Maybe-
Michigan bird on the ground for always outside.
Yeah, that'll happen when you shoot them with their front face towards you. Oh well, that's just a sign of a good hunt there. That's a sign of a kill. Heck yeah, man. That's awesome. Wow, what a beautiful morning. Bro, I appreciate you, buddy, going out with me.
Yeah, buddy,
Glad you were
anytime.
there with me to see it all go down.
Oh, you got me on my bird, and
Yeah.
I got you on yours,
Well,
man.
it only seems fit.
Yeah,
Dude, wow.
she's a beaut, brother.
That's awesome. I can't believe how that just happened. We just were gonna come walking down here just to sit, really, because we had some extra time, but man, he came over on a string. That's awesome. That was fun. That's